I am very glad to talk about modern plastics and Gino Joseph. To be very frankly, when he says talk about modern plastic TV or other magazines and other things, I would first say Gino Joseph, to be very frankly, because before 25 years, today is the 26th year running, it will be getting complete. But the work he has done, it's a very hard work. I know I was active in plastic industry, but I am more associated with 𝐼𝐧𝐝 from more than last 13, 14 years. I used to see him going to every president of 𝐼𝐧𝐝 or Plastic India Foundation or other big organization, TEGMA or whatever you call it. And he has progressed from nowhere to be really faking. Modern Plastics was very well read magazine in USA, and people were ready or after going for Modern Plastic magazine to learn, read all new things, and that is being implemented in this our magazine, Modern Plastic TV, or all the progress he has made and all the coverage that Modern Plastic is giving to every reader, or you can say every entrepreneur of the plastic industry, are something new. When you call that something new is coming in the plastic industry, it is already there in Modern Plastic. It is already shown in Modern Plastic TV. So those things are already there. If you read it, as I said, I'm a chairman of consultant committee. I read and learn from the Modern Plastic and pass it to the other people, because it is the knowledge. That is what Mr. Gino Joseph is doing, spreading a knowledge to the plastic industry. And I am sure it will go a very, very long way. It is not 25, 26 years. It will complete more than 50 years, and with a greater advantage and all the facilities, and will put up more better shows than this. Thank you all. Wish him all the best.